Ever wondered how IKEA can sell you a chic dining table and a plate of Swedish meatballs for less than a fancy dinner out? IKEA, the Swedish multinational sensation, has cracked the code on offering stylish, functional, and wallet-friendly furniture. The secret sauce? A killer cost leadership strategy that lets them keep prices low while ensuring quality and design. Let's take a closer look at IKEA's strategic playbook and see how they keep us all coming back for more. IKEA controls its supply chain from production to retail, ensuring cost efficiency. It sources materials globally, leveraging economies of scale to reduce costs. This tight control over the supply chain enables IKEA to minimize wastage and streamline operations, further driving down costs. IKEA's signature flat pack furniture design reduces shipping and storage costs significantly. This design also allows customers to transport and assemble products themselves, cutting down on labor expenses. The flat pack concept not only saves on space, but also reduces the environmental footprint of transportation. IKEA standardizes products and processes, streamlining production and reducing costs. By offering a limited range of product variations, IKEA can produce in large volumes and benefit from lower unit costs. This standardization extends to store layouts and marketing, ensuring a consistent brand experience worldwide. IKEA uses cost-effective, sustainable materials like particle board and fiberboard. These materials are cheaper than solid wood but still provide quality and durability. IKEA's commitment to sustainability also means these materials often come from renewable sources, aligning cost leadership with environmental responsibility. The layout of IKEA stores is designed to optimize space and encourage self-service. Customers pick products directly from warehouse-style storage, reducing the need for sales staff and lowering operating costs. The unique store design also enhances the customer experience, making the shopping process more engaging and efficient. IKEA's global sourcing strategy allows it to find the most cost-effective suppliers around the world, maintaining quality while keeping prices low. By establishing long-term relationships with suppliers and investing in their development, IKEA ensures a steady supply of affordable, high-quality materials. IKEA's cost leadership strategy is a testament to its commitment to providing affordable, high-quality furniture to a broad customer base. By focusing on efficient supply chain management, innovative product design, cost-effective materials, and effective in-store logistics, IKEA has solidified its position as a leader in the furniture industry. This strategic approach not only ensures that IKEA can continue to offer exceptional value to its customers, but also supports its long-term sustainability goals. Through its relentless pursuit of cost efficiency and operational excellence, IKEA remains a dominant force in the market, setting the standard for affordable, well-designed furniture worldwide. Before you go, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest discussions. I'm Dr. Dag, eager to hear your thoughts or future topic suggestions in the comments below. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.